Welcome to Session 2, Integers, Absolute Value, and Signed Operations. In the next few minutes, you will use a number line to compare signed values, interpret absolute value as distance, calculate with positive and negative numbers, and model a practical bank balance. The central idea is simple. Every sign communicates direction relative to zero. On a number line, values increase as you move right and decrease as you move left. To order -6, 3, -1, and 0, read their positions from left to right. -6, -1, 0, 3. Notice that -1 is greater than -6 because it is farther right and closer to 0. Absolute value answers a distance question. The absolute value of -17 is 17 because -17 is 17 units from 0. Distance cannot be negative. Absolute value does not simply erase a minus sign in every problem. Use it only when the notation or context asks for distance or magnitude. For addition, treat each sign as a direction. -7 plus 12 starts at -7 and moves 12 units, right, landing at 5. 9 plus -14 moves 14 units left and lands at -5. When signs differ, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger and keep the sign of the larger magnitude. Rewrite subtraction as adding the opposite. -15 minus -9 becomes -15 plus 9. Starting at -15, move 9 units right to reach -6. This rewrite prevents a common sign mistake. Subtracting a negative creates positive movement, but the final result can still be negative. For multiplication and division, decide the sign before calculating the magnitude. Equal signs produce a positive result. Different signs produce a negative result. -6 times +7 is -42. -48 divided by -6 is +8. Check division by multiplying the quotient by the divisor. Apply the same reasoning to a bank balance. Begin at -$35. A deposit of $80 moves the balance to +45. Paying a $22 bill moves it down to +23. The expression is -35 plus 80 minus 22, and the final balance is $23. Use this four-step routine, identify the zero reference, translate every change into a signed value, apply the number line or sign rule, and check whether the final direction makes sense. Practice explaining why each sign is positive or negative. For more lessons in practice, visit bridgetoexam.com.